These layered desserts will surely impress, and for a healthy alternative, the caramelised apple can be substituted with fresh fruit. So let's get baking. While we're warming the cream, we're going to start making the caramel. This is just with sugar and water. Once it is golden brown, or 150 degrees on a candy thermometer, you can add the warm cream. The caramel mixture is then poured onto the chopped chocolate and whisked again till smooth. Yogurt is added. Pour into serving glasses and chill. While the bottom layer is chilling, we can start caramelizing the apples. I like to leave the skin on the apples for some colour. So just chop the apples evenly and mix with melted butter, brown sugar and cinnamon. The top layer, the crumb, needs to go into a preheated oven. The crumb is cooked into its golden brown. We're going to make an easy garnish just with some melted chocolate on some clean bubble wrap. Once the apples are cool, we place onto the set bottom layer and add our topping and garnish. These layered desserts really look impressive.